Ever wondered how one man built a multi-billion-dollar empire from scratch and became a household name? Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of Donald Trump and uncovering the secrets behind his incredible wealth. Stay tuned, because you don't want to miss these valuable lessons. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring the remarkable journey of Donald Trump and how he became one of the richest and most influential figures in the world. From his early days in Queens, to his rise in Manhattan real estate and all the way to the White House, we'll break down the key moments that shaped his success. Plus, we'll share 10 crucial investment lessons you can learn from his story. Also, the first comment has a Spotify link to The Ultimate Guide to Making Money with Apple Vision Pro. Master remote freelancing with 9 simple methods, and boost your productivity using the technology of the future. Make sure to check it out. Let's get started. Chapter 1. The Early Years. Donald John Trump was born on June 14, 1946 in Queens, New York City. His father, Fred Trump, was a successful real estate developer who built middle-income rental housing in Brooklyn and Queens. From a young age, Donald was exposed to the world of real estate. He learned the value of hard work, negotiation, and understanding market trends from his father. Fred Trump was known for his conservative approach to business, focusing on steady cash flow and long-term investments. This foundation would greatly influence Donald's early career. Chapter 2. Education and Early Ambitions. Donald attended the New York Military Academy where he learned discipline and leadership. After high school, he went to Fordham University for 2 years and then transferred to the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, where he earned a degree in economics. At Wharton, Trump learned about finance and real estate, preparing him for his future career. He was reportedly an energetic and ambitious student, keen to apply his classroom knowledge to real-world business situations. Chapter 3. Joining the family business. After graduating in 1968, Donald joined his father's company, Elizabeth Trump & Son. The company was already successful, focusing on middle-income rental housing. However, Donald had bigger ambitions. He wanted to expand the business and make a name for himself in Manhattan, the epicenter of wealth and opportunity in New York City. One of his early projects was the revitalization of the Swifton Village apartment complex in Cincinnati, Ohio, where he increased occupancy from 34% to 100% within a year. Chapter 4. The Move to Manhattan. In the early 1970s, Donald Trump moved to Manhattan and began making significant real estate deals. One of his first major projects was the transformation of the Commodore Hotel into the Grand Hyatt New York. This project, completed in 1980, showcased Trump's ability to negotiate favorable deals and navigate complex financing. He secured a 40-year tax abatement from the city, which made the project financially viable. The success of the Grand Hyatt established Trump as a prominent figure in Manhattan real estate. Chapter 5. Building Trump Tower. In 1983, Trump completed Trump Tower, a 58-story skyscraper on Fifth Avenue. Trump Tower became a symbol of luxury and success, housing both residential and commercial spaces. High-profile tenants and the building's prime location further cemented Trump's reputation as a major player in Manhattan real estate. The project was notable for its use of high-quality materials like pink marble and its atrium, which became a popular tourist attraction. The building also featured a prominent Gucci store, attracting elite clientele. Chapter 6. Expanding the Empire. Throughout the 1980s and 1990s, Trump continued to expand his real estate empire. He acquired and developed numerous high-profile properties, including the Plaza Hotel, the Trump World Tower, and several casinos in Atlantic City, such as the Trump Taj Mahal, the Trump Plaza, and the Trump Marina. Each project reflected his penchant for grandiosity and luxury. The Plaza Hotel, for example, underwent a $400 million renovation under Trump's ownership. Additionally, Trump developed the Trump International Hotel and Tower in Chicago, which became one of the tallest residential buildings in the world. Chapter 7. Trying New Ventures. Trump didn't limit himself to real estate. He ventured into various businesses, including Trump Airlines, the Trump Shuttle, and the Miss Universe organization. Though not all ventures were successful, Trump's ability to take risks and diversify his investments played a crucial role in his wealth accumulation. For instance, his purchase of the Mar-a-Lago estate in Palm Beach, Florida turned into a lucrative private club. He also invested in the Trump Winery in Virginia, expanding his brand into the beverage industry. Chapter 8. The Apprentice, a Media Mogul. In 2004, Donald Trump became a household name through the reality TV show The Apprentice. The show highlighted his business acumen and leadership skills, with contestants competing for a position within Trump's organization. His catchphrase, "You're fired," became iconic. The show significantly boosted his brand and opened up new revenue streams through licensing and endorsements. Trump was paid $50,000 per episode for the first season, and the show's success led to a significant increase in his earnings in subsequent seasons. The show also spawned spin-offs like The Celebrity Apprentice, further enhancing his media presence. Chapter 9: Financial Ups and Downs. Trump's career wasn't without challenges. He faced multiple financial setbacks, including bankruptcies of several of his casinos. The Trump Taj Mahal filed for bankruptcy in 1991, just a year after it opened. Despite these setbacks, Trump demonstrated resilience and an ability to bounce back from failures. He often used strategic bankruptcies to restructure debt and protect his personal assets. For example, he negotiated with banks to retain control of his properties while reducing his debt obligations. His ability to navigate these financial difficulties showcased his negotiating skills and strategic thinking. Chapter 10: The Presidency. In 2016, Donald Trump was elected as the 45th President of the United States. His presidency brought significant attention to his business dealings and wealth. Despite controversies and legal challenges, his brand remained strong. His time in office also provided him with new business opportunities and enhanced his global recognition. During his presidency, Trump placed his business interests into a trust managed by his sons, though this arrangement faced criticism for potential conflicts of interest. His presidency also highlighted his approach to economic policies, including tax cuts and deregulation, which he argued would benefit businesses and stimulate economic growth. Chapter 11: Post-Presidency Ventures. After leaving office in 2021, Trump continued to be a prominent figure in politics and business. He focused on expanding his media presence, launching new business ventures, and maintaining his real estate holdings. His Mar-a-Lago estate became his primary residence and a central hub for his political and social activities. Trump also launched a social media platform, Truth Social, aimed at providing an alternative to mainstream social networks. Additionally, he remained active in political endorsements and speaking engagements, leveraging his influence to shape public discourse. Before we continue, remember we are here to help you. From achieving financial freedom in 5 years, to how to save money like the rich. We have a bit for everyone. Now let's dive back in. 10 investment rules people can learn from Donald Trump. Number 1. Take calculated risks. Donald Trump's willingness to take risks, such as moving into Manhattan real estate, highlights the importance of taking calculated risks to build wealth. Assess the potential rewards and risks before making significant investments. For instance, Trump's decision to buy the Commodore Hotel was a significant gamble that paid off due to careful planning and negotiation. Number 2. Diversify investments. Trump's ventures into different industries including real estate, entertainment, and retail show the benefits of diversifying investments to mitigate risks. Spreading investments across various sectors can protect against market volatility. Trump's investments in different types of properties, residential, commercial, and hospitality, provided multiple income streams. Number 3. Build a strong brand. Trump's focus on building a strong personal and business brand contributed significantly to his wealth. A recognizable and respected brand can open numerous opportunities and create a loyal customer base. The Trump brand became synonymous with luxury and quality, attracting high-end clients and lucrative deals. Number 4. Learn from failures. Despite facing financial setbacks and bankruptcies, Trump's ability to learn from failures and bounce back was crucial in his continued success. Viewing failures as learning opportunities can lead to better decision-making in the future. Trump's multiple casino bankruptcies taught him the importance of managing debt and operational efficiency. Number 5. Leverage debt wisely. Trump often used leverage, borrowed money, to finance his deals. When used wisely, debt can amplify investment returns. It's essential to manage debt carefully and ensure that it's used to acquire assets that generate income. For example, Trump's use of tax abatements and financing structures allowed him to complete high-profile projects with limited initial capital. Number 6. Negotiate effectively. Trump's reputation as a tough negotiator helped him secure favorable deals. Strong negotiation skills are essential in any investment, whether negotiating prices, terms, or partnerships. Being firm yet fair can lead to better outcomes. His negotiation for the Commodore Hotel deal, where he secured a tax abatement, showcased his ability to get favorable terms. Number 7. Stay informed. Trump's success in various industries required staying informed and understanding market trends. Knowledge is a powerful tool in investment decisions. Continuously educate yourself about the markets and industries you're investing in. Trump's awareness of market demands helped him pivot his investments, such as focusing on luxury properties when the market favored them. Number 8. Focus on prime locations. In real estate, Trump focused on prime locations that guaranteed high demand and returns. Location is critical in real estate investments, as properties in desirable areas tend to appreciate more and attract quality tenants. Trump's emphasis on acquiring properties in Manhattan and other prestigious locations ensured high occupancy rates and significant appreciation. Number 9. Adapt and evolve. Trump's ability to adapt to changing markets and trends, such as moving from middle-income housing to luxury developments, was key to his success. Flexibility and the willingness to pivot when necessary can help seize new opportunities. His move into reality TV with The Apprentice was a strategic adaptation that broadened his brand's reach. Persistence pays off. Trump's persistence in pursuing his goals despite obstacles and criticism underscores the importance of determination and resilience in achieving financial success. Staying committed to your vision and working through challenges is vital for long-term success. Trump's ability to persist through financial setbacks and personal controversies exemplifies the power of perseverance. And there you have it, the incredible story of how Donald Trump built his fortune and the valuable investment lessons we can all learn from his journey. Whether you agree with his methods or not, there's no denying that his strategies and resilience offer some powerful insights for anyone looking to build wealth. Remember, the first comment has an Amazon link to the ultimate guide to making money with Apple Vision Pro Master. Remote freelancing with 9 simple methods and boost your productivity using the technology of the future. Make sure to check it out. Before leaving, did you already subscribe? Do you not want to achieve financial freedom in 5 years? Or learn how to master your budget and stop leaks? Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.